Hello world, welcome to Small Engine Nerd. I'm Nicholas Latona. So this isn't the third video that I thought that I would be doing. I thought that my third video would be me installing the CDI along with doing a side-by-side of 1000 RPM on the stock versus 1000 RPM on the CDI, 2000 on stock versus 2000 on CDI, all the way up to 5000 RPM. Unfortunately, my tachometer is at home and I'm at my home away from home where I work, so I don't have that on hand. Not only that, but the install video that I actually did record has absolutely no audio to it, and so therefore I'm kind of scrubbing it. I did get my kit installed, and I mean, I cannot explain the difference that the CDI kit makes on these engines. If you're producing power on your engine and you put this CDI kit on there, it's just more power. It's untapped power. It's torque at all RPM ranges. It's actually sounding like a motorcycle when it's idling rather than a lawnmower. It is so clean. With the stock OEM ignition, I found that you suffer more lean on throttle because it's not firing on time, and therefore you're inputting more fuel and air and you're not adequately firing that at the opportune time. With this CDI, you really fire it at that opportune time. When you pull back on the throttle, the acceleration, even on the stock carburetor that's been rejetted, is so smooth. It is just, it feels like in your car when you push on the accelerator, it doesn't stumble over itself to begin. It just it goes. It really, for a person who really enjoys a TAV2 30 series over a centrifugal clutch, it makes a world of difference, and I'm sure it would actually make a difference on a centrifugal clutch as well. And as a man who owns 3 non-Hemi GX200 clones and 1 Hemi GX200 clone, and knowing that that Hemi actually kicks around a lot harder than the non-Hemis do, the CDI kit really makes it a lot smoother. It doesn't jar the frame or vibrate around nearly as much as it did on the stock ignition. So for the time being, since I don't have the video that I want to make, which will be my next video, I leave you with a video of me doing a nice rip with the stock ignition and then doing a nice rip down the same stretch of road using the CDI. I will also compare side by side what stock idle sounds like versus what the CDI idle sounds like. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. There's going to be plenty more to come. I'm going to be restoring a 1973 Suzuki TS90, but with this Predator 212 that's on the mini bike, and the CDI is going to certainly be a game changer whenever I'm pushing that 24-inch wheel. So if you'd like to see the restoration project take place, I'm going to be doing videos of that on my channel, along with a lot more of this CDI, because this is just unreal how much of a difference this makes